5 effective natural remedies for hiccups. 1. Diaphragmatic breathing. Slow, deep breaths can relax the diaphragm and stop hiccups. Inhale deeply through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth. 2. Drink cold water. Sipping cold water can stimulate the vagus nerve and interrupt the hiccup reflex. 3. Hold your breath. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for as long as you comfortably can. This can reset your diaphragm's rhythm and stop hiccups. 4. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. The graininess of sugar can stimulate the vagus nerve and halt hiccups. 5. Gargle with cold water. Gargling with icy water can stimulate the throat's sensory nerves and potentially stop hiccups.